Happy Guy Fawkes night. This is a bonfire special. I promised you now Halloween updates now over, and I'm just gonna quickly show you now the final for the start update. And if I find it, it is here. I finally found it. Tom and Jerry Tales, and yeah, if you know, it was volume 3 and 4. Tom and Jerry Tales, what a good show. It's very good. Off one video from 2011. Got Kids WB. They're a reprint disc, so I'm not sure if they got the original content or not. Because the artwork's like same as the cover. Zigzag and Winter Goes Wrong. So that was the DVD. It's done. Now, let's go to the update. And this consists of 1,000 recorded tapes and a whole shitloads of them. So let's start off with this and that. That's just blue tack. Don't I have that in the house? First off is the flood in ITV News. I just did half of it so far. I think the next news will be news at 10. So yeah, that's going to be exciting for me. So yeah, off ITV. Now, so we're going to start with the recorded one since we've got loads of them. So this is 3 hours, E180. It's got, it also has the news at 10, but I think that's at the end. So, this is a 3.5 hour tape. It's got an E180 though, because it's got SLP in. Another one. I just got the one tape. This is a Fuji tape. These are known as Phillips. Yeah, no, I never heard of anyway. Police Academy. This is meant to be a good film. It's got beer cover. This is a 3 hour. Oh, yeah, you can tell that warning there. So yeah, Scotch, 2 hours, meant to be 2 hours. Well, this is a 3.5 one because it's got, says, if you can recognise, the camera's fucking blurry. You cannot see it. Come on. Yes, Zulu. Yeah, if you cannot recognise, it says Zulu. Does another 3.5 one. I love getting these because they're so long. This one probably will have a one tape in. Cheesy Key. Or whatever. Yeah. I love it. Might take that down. This is a Scotch 3 hour. And if you know, if you do SLP on the 2 hour Scotch, you're gonna get extra hour of 2 hours added on far, and that's developing fucking great. Well, I can only record SP of this fuck here, and that's not a recorder. This one hasn't got a cover, it's just a blank piece of white one. This one just says TV play. That just has no signal, I think. And this is like a Cubbies one. This one is, at the beginning of this one, the single is fucked up, guys. Like, the signal on here is really fucked at the beginning. I might show you it soon. I can't now because Scrutly's on in the background. So let's go to the actuals. And one tape I'm getting rid of, Spice Girls the movie. Yeah, don't really need it because I'm getting a green tape copy. So yeah. Now we've got some two developing box sets. The other one is down here. It's just after the free one. 3 set, Indiana Jones Adventures. And I won't be showing you the tapes because they're plain. So I've got Raiders of the Lost Ark, and yeah, and I'm gonna show you an example for one of these. Here's the tape for one. I'm gonna show you for one of these because the quite look the same, like the same sticker label and that print out, and you get an inside and these nice cool things for the gave you. So yeah, I'm going to show you each one of them, well not the tape, because we're going to be there forever, aren't we? The Temple of Doom, which is meant to be 23, and someone see that there's a thing there, and you could just saw the tape. Yeah, they're just the same, it's just not a surprise. Oh, this one here is the Last Crusade, and the thing there. That's a good set, although unfortunately some of the tapes are molded. That's just fucked, obviously. And yeah, I'm getting more recorded tapes soon, so yeah. Amazing. That I can't really put away. That's a shame, isn't it? This was the next big box set, and I only show you one of the tapes. I'll show you the outlet though. Lethal Weapon box set. You've seen this in 3 fucking updates now. You've seen it, like, do you know when I first showed you Lethal Weapon tape? It was like, in the first ever update on the channel, I had 1 to 3 boxes. This is the 4th film one. Then, in the Halloween, I have it on DVD, and now I've got this set as well. Because it's got every single film in. Because Lethal Weapon's obviously classic. Yeah, I'll just show you one of these tapes. So it's Lethal Weapon 4. It's different to 9 because you get the same label in that, and a reprint as well. That's a really shite as well, isn't it? So you've got Lethal Weapon 4, Lethal Weapon 3, and now we've not stuck. Wow. Holy fuck. Ah, fucking cunt. Okay. Lethal Weapon 3, Lethal Weapon 2. I think the director's cut is on DVD, and Mel Gibson, Lethal Weapon 1. Goodest film that everyone loves, especially being Mel Gibson. So put these over here, and I know we haven't got time for any more videos, but I'm just gonna show you like these, and then part 2 is gonna be the last. So start with how hot. Under Chamber Secrets, of Warner from 2003, and this has got the Pirates Are Out to Get You on it. It's at the beginning, sticker label, and there's something there I can't read out. Young Guns, it's very fuzzy. In the beginning, it's obviously fucked. Bit fucked. And the reason why I just swore because I love the damage to it, it's so funny. When you watch it, it's so funny. Next one, I'll probably watch this film tomorrow. I think I should because my Bev told me to watch it, but Knocks and Broomsticks, and I watch it either tomorrow or Monday. Well, I can't watch it on Monday because I'm doing Family Guy with these tapes. I do on that one. And the label's fucked. It's also one, and there's 2 holograms for some reason. I don't get it why. It's off 92 though, so yeah. The Great Daughter, very, very fucking brilliant film. Off CIC or whatever, from 1990 something. It's like a late one because, you know, you can't really see CIC. Last one, Pulp Fiction, very, very good fun. Off Miramax or Touchstone. Because I got the Touchstone label in that, so I don't know, surprisingly leaving there in it. So yeah, so I know this video might take forever to load, but it's been a lot of videos, isn't it? I'll show you a lot for Bonfire Night. I've got some more down there that I'm gonna do number for the next part, and I didn't got no DVDs for part whatever, so it's just VHSs. So goodbye.